सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फाउंडेशन गुरुकुल बाय आर के झा चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn about the multiplication of integers. In multiplication of integers, we shall learn the rule of multiplication of integers and some properties regarding the multiplication of integers. So let us proceed to learn about the rule of multiplication of integers. First rule is that to find the product of two integers having same sign, we multiply them and put a positive sign. Positive means plus sign to the product. It means that if there are two integers having same sign, either it is positive or it is negative, then we find the product and put a positive sign to the product. Let us see the example. 5 into 4. That will be 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, and we put a positive sign, but positive sign is understood and we do not put in general, so we write here 20. It means a positive sign before 20. Second, minus 3 into minus 7 equal to, first we multiply 7 with 3 and put a positive sign. 7 3s are 21 and plus, that will be 20. This line. Second rule is to find the product of two integers having different sign, we simply multiply them and put a negative sign. Negative means minus sign to the product. Means if there are two integers and both have the different sign, one integer have a positive sign and one integer have a negative sign, then we simply multiply both the integer and put a negative sign before the product. Let us see the example. Two into minus 3 equal to 3 2 ja or 2 3 ja 6, and put a negative sign, minus sign. Again, minus 7 into 5, both have different sign. 5 have a positive sign and 7 has a negative sign. So simply we multiply 7 into 5, 7 5 is 35, and put a negative sign before the product. Just these two rules are for multiplication. Now we are going to learn about the properties of integers, properties of multiplication of integers. Okay. In properties of multiplication of integers, there are several rules, several properties. So first property is closure property. Closure property says that the product of two integers is also an integer. It means that when we multiply two integers, then the number comes as product, it will also be an integer. The product of any two integers is also an integer. For example, 3 into minus 5 equal to 3 5 ja 15, and we put a negative sign minus, so it is minus 15. Here minus 15 is an integer. Again, minus 2 into minus 4 equal to 8. It is an integer. So 8 is also an integer. We see that product is integer. Second rule is called commutative property. Commutative property. For any integer A and B, we have A into B equal to B into A. It means that if there are two integers, then we can multiply them in any order. It means that we can put any of the integer in the first place, and after then other will be on the second place. Just like example, 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. In both the cases, 2 3 ja 6 and 3 2 ja 6. Both the cases same. So we can multiply integers in any order. Third property is associative property. For any integer three integer A, B and C, we have A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Means that we have to, if we have to find the product of three integers, then while multiplying we can group any two of them. So in first A and B have been grouped and C is out of the group, and in second case A is out of the group and B and C is into the group. The result will be the same. For example, -2 into 3 into 5 equal to -2 into 3 into 5. Both the cases, -2 into 3, 6, -6 into 5 equal to 3 into 5, 15, -2 into 15 implies 6 5 ja 30 and minus sign, -30. Here equal to 15 2 ja 30 and minus 30. So in both the case result is same. Next property is fourth property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. This property says that for any integer A, B and C, A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Means that if there are three integers and one is multiplied to the sum of the other two, मतलब कि तीन इंटीजर है उसमें से लास्ट वाले दोनों का अगर एडिशन है और ब्रैकेट के बाहर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, यानी उन दोनों के सम का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, उस केस में क्या होता है कि ये जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है और उन दोनों ही इंटीजर के ऊपर, तो a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी दैट इज ए बी प्लस ए सी. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया, सो इट ओवर एडिशन के ऊपर, इसलिए इसका नाम है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन. इस केस में भी रिजल्ट जो है वो सेम होता है. एग्जाम्पल, -2 into 3 plus 4 equal to minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4. Now see the result in both the case separately. Minus 2 into 3 plus 4 equal to minus 2 into 3 plus 4, 7, and we work the brackets before the multiplication by Bodmer's rule. So here minus 2 into 3 plus 4, 7, minus 2 into 7 equal to minus 2 into 7 minus 14. In this case, minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4 equal to 3 to the 6 and minus, put a minus sign, minus 6 plus minus 2 into 4, 4 to the 8 and we put minus sign, minus 8 equal to minus 6 minus 8 equal to 8 plus 6, 14 and put minus sign. So minus 14. In both the cases, you can write LHS. LHS equal to so and RHS. This one. So result is same here. Fifth property is our multiplicative identity. For any integer a, we have a into 1 equal to 1 into a equal to a. 1 is called multiplicative integer identity. Actually, 1 is an integer, we know, and a is any integer. So whenever we multiply any integer with 1, we get the integer itself. Suppose 2 into 1 equal to 2, 3 into 1 equal to 3, 5 into 1 equal to 5. So thus, you multiply any of the integer with 1, we get the integer itself. So it is called identity, a multiplicative identity. 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Next property and the last property of multiplication, 6, is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of any integer a is 1 by a, such that a into 1 by a equal to 1. here A is multiplicative inverse of 1 by A, and 1 by A is multiplicative inverse of A। यानी कोई भी इंटीजर है तो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 1 बाई वो इंटीजर होता है, या 1 बाई इंटीजर एनी इंटीजर का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स वो इंटीजर होता है। तो इस तरह से जब हम किसी इंटीजर और उसके मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें प्रोडक्ट के रूप में 1 मिलता है। तो ये हमारा दोनों एक दूसरे का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स होते हैं, यानी a जो है वो 1 बाई ए का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स है और 1 बाई ए जो है वो a का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स है। यहाँ पे रिमार्क्स नोट कर लो। मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स is also known as reciprocal। Reciprocal of that integer। Example, find reciprocal of 3 and 1 by 2। तो हम लोग को कैसे ये मिलेगा? तो 3 का रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 3 इक्वल टू 1 बाई 3, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1 बाई 2 इक्वल टू इसका उल्टा जस्ट रिवर्स 2 बाई 1, 2 बाई 1 इक्वल टू 2। नेक्स्ट, जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 इंटू 1 बाई 3 इक्वल टू वी गेट 1। अगेन 2 and 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 इक्वल टू 1। तो 3 जो है इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 1 by 3 एंड 1 by 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 3। उसी प्रकार से 2 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 1 by 2 या रेसिप्रोकल 1 by 2 और 1 by 2 का रेसिप्रोकल 2। जब दोनों को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमको 1 मिलेगा। इस तरह हमने प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स जाना आज के क्लास में। ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग जो है प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिवीजन ऑफ इंटीजर्स जानेंगे। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू।